Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure your device is up to date and Apple Intelligence is enabled in Settings. This unlocks contextual features inside Notes. Once done, open Notes and create or select the note you want to enhance. Enable live text and add any images or documents to provide context. Then tap the AI or Compose icon and give a short instruction. Summarize, draft, extract action items, so the assistant has clear direction before it generates suggestions. Now you'll work through the core actions. Ask the assistant for a concise summary, a prioritized task list, or a rewritten paragraph with a specified tone. Make sure to use tags and folders so search narrows results and the AI pulls from the right context. If you added PDFs or photos, use the extract text or scan features so the assistant reads those contents. As you iterate, prompt for refinements, shorter bullets, different tone, or more detail until the output matches your needs. Finish by carefully reviewing the AI's suggestions. Accept inline edits or manually adjust phrasing so the note reflects your intent. Make sure the note syncs to iCloud if you need access across devices, and check privacy toggles for what context the assistant may use. If output is off, restate the task more precisely, provide a short example, or temporarily disable attachments as context and try again. A single clear prompt revision often fixes accuracy issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.